Day, my daily detailers, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be going over extraction on this here Toyota Tacoma with mold. Now you're gonna need enzymes, all-purpose cleaner, drill brush, some bottles, and your drill gun. Go ahead and get some enzymes and spray it all over the chair. It did have a lot of mold, so please go heavy. Go ahead and get your APC in a bottle and start spraying down the chair. Once you're done spraying down the chair, you can go piece by piece. Just be sure to go over with the drill brush, scrubbing away. Once you are done treating, you're gonna go ahead and get your extractor and start extracting. Please be sure to have your extractor's heater on because you want to make sure you disinfect that chair too at the same time. Step 1 complete. Now repeat the same process on the passenger seat. Don't forget to do the back too as well. Same thing again, just on the driver's seat. Next is drying, so we'll see you back. And that mold is absolutely gone. If you liked this video or found it helpful, be sure to like us, follow us, and subscribe. And that's a wrap. It's been fun. Let me know what you want to see next. Alright, so